In today's video, I will teach you how to design your own gift tag in Canva. Let's get started. First, open Canva and in the home page, type in the keyword gift tag on the search bar if you would like to customize one of the hundreds of available gift tag templates in Canva's template library. To choose the right design for you, you can simply enable some of the filters on the sidebar to narrow down your choices. You can also start from scratch by clicking on a blank template option at the first row of the template library. And to start from a custom size page, you can simply click on the Create a Design option at the upper right corner of the screen and click on the Custom Size option, then input your desired width and height. And once you've opened your canvas or your chosen template, you can now go ahead and customize it. To add graphics and illustrations onto your gift tag, simply open the Elements tab and drag and drop illustrations and graphics onto your page. To add some personal flair onto the illustrations, you can change the color scheme of each element by simply clicking on the illustration that you would like to edit, and at the top panel, select the color that you would like to change. To add text, simply open the Text tab, and here, you can set the text either as a header, subheader, or a text body. Or you can simply choose among the text combination presets available in Canva's text preset library. To edit the text, simply click on the text that you wish to edit, and at the top panel, you can change the font style, font size, alignment, and more. To save your work, you can simply click on the Share button at the upper right side of the screen and select Download and choose the format of your file. I highly recommend using PNG or JPG as a file format. But Canva also has a print on demand option. To order prints from Canva, simply click on the print tags at the top panel and set the paper type, finish, and number of copies that you would like to get printed. However, some paper types are only available in certain countries. As a reference, here's the list of available paper types for each region. And once you're satisfied with the settings, you can now go ahead and proceed to checkout to complete your order, and you're done. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.